Welcome back to Wave 3 Listens. Body Shapes Medical. Leesa Innenbach is with us. And Leesa, if you would, we've got some reasons for you to call today.
Absolutely. If you call today and schedule your consult, you don't have to come in today, but you're going to get $400 off your package of Excelus. And if you mention Wave 3 Listens, you'll receive $100 off any of our accelerated weight loss programs.
Woo.
Absolutely, yeah, great. Let's save some money and get fit all at the same time.
Now you know why we love putting them on the air. See, benefit for you, benefit for our buddies. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Truly a win-win. If you have any questions, 571-5263. And I have a question. We talked about red flags, and I think you were referring to women, but those red flags can also apply to men for hormone therapy.
Absolutely.
Guys like myself who are getting up there and need a little help, it could be the fact that they're low in testosterone, or something else that you would detect in some blood work, right?
Right. It's a very easy process. You call, you make an appointment, you come in, we'll get your labs drawn, and then we look at those levels. And what we want to do, I mean, it's a very wide range of a testosterone level, but what we want to do is get your levels back to where you were in your 20s, maybe even your early 30s, to make sure that you're feeling that age instead of your age. We all are getting older, but we don't have to look like it, and we don't have to feel like it, certainly.
Will you get me back to where I was in my 20s? My wife will be hiding from me. Are you kidding? She'll be going, no, please, no, get away. All right. She's hoping my hormone levels go downhill. Let's talk to Paula, who's online, too. She's calling from Jeffersonville. Paula, welcome to the show.
Yes, hello.
Hello, Paula.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Okay, my question was, does this hormone therapy apply to someone that's gone through menopause? Does it work later in years?
Absolutely. That's the number one reason women do come to us is because of menopause, because you start having symptoms like we just talked about earlier, energy levels, decreased concentration, fatigue, depression. I mean, there's a whole realm of problems that come postmenopausal. So what you would need to do, again, and I know I keep saying this, but it's true, we really have to get you in the office and get that lab work and see where your levels are before we can treat you.
Thank you very much for the call, Paula. Appreciate that. 571-5263. Leesa, you have talked before about the benefits of Excelus, but I think for those who are just now tuning in and they're wondering about Excelus, this is a really cutting-edge type of treatment. And I think what makes it interesting to me, non-invasive, skin tightening, so not only can you lose some weight, but also you don't want the saggy skin. Talk a little bit more about that.
Sure. I'd love to. Our accelerator weight loss programs, again, are great for getting the weight off, but then we have some patients that still need some problem areas that they have. So what we found was the Excelus. It's a radio frequency technology. Again, it reduces fat and tightens skin from the neck down, and it tightens skin on the face as well. So there's two types of clients. There's the clients that come in and they do a weight loss program, and then they have extra loose skin and they like to come in, or they have that problem area that they still need to get rid of. And then there's those clients that don't really need to lose weight, but they have a trouble spot. It can get rid of up to 2 to 4 inches in that trouble spot for you.
Let's talk about these before and after pictures. This is impressive, and I think this really illustrates exactly what you're talking about, Leesa.
Absolutely. And you know, plastic surgeons use this as well, because a lot of times patients aren't candidates for surgery, or they just don't want to go through the surgery and have the downtime. So this is an excellent alternative if you, A, don't want to have surgery, or B, you're not a candidate for surgery.
All right. Look at these pictures. That's very impressive. And this was all via Excelus, is that correct?
Yes. All of this is our Excelus before and after.
And how many treatments do you need before I receive results like that?
It does take 4 treatments to an area. For the fat reduction, you're going to notice something at about the 2nd or 3rd treatment. Now, the skin tightening is collagen rebuilding. So anytime you do collagen rebuilding, it's going to take about 3 months before you notice something. But that fat reduction, I tell you what, I have people that come in after the 2nd and 3rd treatment and go, my pants are too big, I've got to get some new pants. And they're really not worried about buying that new wardrobe at that point.
You know, I think you've shown your commitment. Body Shapes Medical is very committed to state-of-the-art, safe treatments, cutting edge, and I think Excelus is definitely an example of that. HCG is an example of that. Hormone therapy. I'm hearing things about growth hormone therapy.
Right.
So, and it all can be found at Body Shapes Medical.
Absolutely. And I like to point out the staff. The staff is amazing. I mean, the difference between us and a lot of people is that we really do care. I mean, we care about you, we care about your results, and we're going to stick with you and be your cheerleaders to the very end.
All right. Love the sound of that. All right. Once again, let's put up the information. Body Shapes Medical. Give them a call. Make an appointment today if you're getting ready for spring break. If you're thinking about looking good in summer, whether it be guys and gals both. Give it a look. Here's the information for you. Body Shapes Medical. Leesa, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
You were fabulous. And don't forget now, take advantage. You're going to save yourself some money if you call today. We'll be right back. It's tax season. We're going to save you some money on Wave 3 Listens Live.